sky full of stars aligning. Maybe I'm overexcited, but I got a feeling this will be the best one yet. It's really happening. That's it. On my mind's the best one yet. Best one yet. It's gonna be the best one yet. Looking at a bottle of lightning and the sky full of stars aligning. I got a feeling this will be